Maintaining a healthy colon is crucial for overall well-being, as it plays a key role in digestion and waste elimination. One of the most effective ways to support colon health is through a diet rich in specific foods known for their cleansing and detoxifying properties. Here's a closer look at 6 foods that can help cleanse your colon and promote digestive health. 1. Apples. Apples are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, particularly pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a natural detoxifier. Pectin helps bind and eliminate toxins from the colon while also aiding in the production of beneficial bacteria. Consuming apples regularly can promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and ensuring a healthy colon. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a fiber-rich vegetable that supports digestive health. It contains sulforaphane, a compound that helps protect the lining of the stomach and intestines. Broccoli also boosts the liver's detoxification enzymes, which help neutralize potentially harmful substances and facilitate their removal from the body. Including broccoli in your diet can help maintain a clean and healthy colon. 3. Yogurt. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiome. These probiotics help balance the gut flora, improve digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. Eating yogurt regularly can support the digestive system, reduce inflammation, and help cleanse the colon by fostering a healthy environment for gut bacteria. 4. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain that provides a substantial amount of dietary fiber. Unlike refined grains, brown rice retains its bran and germ, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber in brown rice adds bulk to the stool and aids in its smooth passage through the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 5. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented food rich in probiotics and fiber. The fermentation process increases the bioavailability of nutrients and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria. Sauerkraut supports digestive health by enhancing gut flora and improving digestion. The fiber content in sauerkraut also aids in bowel regularity and helps keep the colon clean. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is particularly high in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the digestive tract by removing toxins and promoting healthy bacteria. The fiber in spinach adds bulk to the stool and facilitates regular bowel movements, contributing to a healthy and clean colon. Incorporating these 6 foods into your diet can significantly benefit your colon health. Apples, broccoli, yogurt, brown rice, sauerkraut, and spinach each provide unique nutrients and properties that support digestion, promote regularity, and help cleanse the colon. A diet rich in these foods, along with adequate hydration and regular exercise, can enhance your overall digestive health and well-being.